So you might be trying to figure out how you can connect a external hard drive to your particular iPad device, whatever you have. Now, doing it is actually a very basic process, but it completely depends on how your particular external hard drive is set up. If you have a USB Type-C port at the end of your particular external hard drive, such as I have here, it's a pretty basic process. You just plug it into the bottom. However, if you have a USB Type 3 port or USB Type 2, whatever it is, USB 2, this might be a little bit of a different process. You'll either need like an adapter like this, or you'll need to use an external dongle like this that plugs into USB-C. Or if you have a Lightning port iPad, then you'll need that Lightning port, to USB 3 or USB Type-C accessory port. So keep that in mind. Now, when you're already done and you have a way to plug this into your iPad somehow, you want to go and plug it in as you normally would. For mine, it's right here. And then what you're going to want to do, it's very, very easy. You'll go ahead and see that as soon as you plug it in, it'll go ahead and power up your external drive. So you can see for me, I have my light on at the bottom of this external drive. And then what you're going to want to do, very basic, you want to make your way over into your Files application. So find wherever your Files app is on your particular iPad. So you can see right here, it's just a bunch of stuff. And you'll see Files right here. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Files. And what you're going to see at the side here, you're going to start seeing a bunch of things. Now, if it looks like this when you open it up, tap into this top left corner to open up your Files app. And right here, you'll see your external hard drive and the name of your external hard drive. For me, I have it right here. And as soon as I click it, you can see I have a couple of files on here already. These are my hard drive files that I have already associated. Now, you want to make sure your particular hard drive is compatible with your iPad. So you may just want to make sure, I think if they're usually connected or like usable on Windows or on Macs, it should be compatible on iPads, but specifically on Macs. So you may just want to make sure your external drive is there. And then you're basically good to go. Now at the bottom you can see it's only read-only. That's because this external hard drive is not, I don't think it's compatible with iPads. But all you really have to do here is just go ahead and store your files here wherever you want to. You can create files, you can do whatever you want, but that's exactly how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.